I bet you didn't know that you could flip $5 into $1,000 with some smart Forex trading moves. Stick around and I'll spill the secrets. Yo, so here's the deal. I decided to take on a challenge turning just $5 into $1,000 through Forex trading. Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it's possible if you know what you're doing. I'm on the M5 right now, just stacked a few buys. Trailing stops are already in place. We're not giving profits back. This trade is moving, no cap. So far we're up like $64 on the account. Not bad from a $5 deposit, right? That's over 10x already. And this is just getting started. Look, I started this challenge just to prove something. People keep saying you need a lot of money to trade. Nah, you just need the skill and a plan. I dropped $5 into a broker account. Started this on April 2nd, 2025. Real trades, real flips, no demo, no hype, just raw trading and discipline. Let me break down exactly how I did this. First, I trade structure, clean price action only, no indicators, just market flow, breakouts, and trailing stops. This is a mindset game. You can't get emotional. You've got to treat every $5 like it's $5,000. You feel me? Tight stops, big targets, risk smart. I always tell people, master the 10 to 100 game. If you can flip $10 to $100 10 times, you've got the skill. Then scale it. $20 to $200, $50 to $500. Rinse and repeat. This ain't about luck. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. Blow one? Cool, you got 9 more shots. Just play smart. Cut losses early. Let winners run. So there it is. $5 to over $1,000 in under a month. Real trades, real lessons. I'm showing you what's possible if you just lock in. No excuses. Yo, if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're starting your own challenge. Let's run it up together.